Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Instagram on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's begin. First, head into Play Store. Note that you need to be logged in into your Google account in order to use Play Store. If you don't know how to add a Google account, you can always watch our other tutorial on that specific topic. Anyway, now we can simply head into search, click search bar and start typing in Instagram. Now, usually you want to ignore whatever is showing up in sponsored area, because you will notice that this is some random dating app which is page 18 and like what is this? So usually you want to go here, and I will simply uninstall it just so we can show you that you can just click install, and to be honest, that's all you really need to do. Now you can simply hit open and you can log in into your Instagram account and just waste your time on Reels or whatever. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.